Managing different schedules for the same tutor just got a whole lot easier. With multi-availability, tutors can now create separate working hours for online sessions, in-person sessions, consultations, or different teaching locations, all within their availability settings. To get started, navigate to Users, then Tutors, and open the tutor whose availability you'd like to manage. From there, select the Availability tab. Click Create New Availability and enter a descriptive name for the schedule. For example, you might create schedules for online working hours, offline working hours, or consultation hours. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Next, configure the schedule by selecting the days the tutor is available and setting their working hours. If the tutor has multiple shifts on the same day, click the plus icon to add another time slot, or use the trash icon to remove one. If you'd like this to be the tutor's primary schedule, enable Set as default. To make changes for specific dates without affecting the recurring schedule, click Add Date Override. Select the date, enter the updated working hours, and apply the changes. This is perfect for any temporary schedule adjustments. Once your availability schedules are ready, you can assign them to courses. You can do this in two ways. If you're adding a tutor to a course for the first time, simply click the plus icon next to the tutor section. This opens the Edit Tutor Availability and Payout window, where you can select the tutor's availability before saving. If the tutor has already been assigned to the course, open the course and click the Edit icon next to the tutor. This will open the same Edit Tutor Availability and Payout window. From the Availability drop-down, choose the schedule you'd like the course to follow, then click Save. WISE will use the selected availability whenever sessions are scheduled for that course. That's it! Whether you're an admin assigning tutors or a tutor managing your own schedule, multi-availability makes scheduling more flexible and helps reduce booking conflicts.